Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aman Alawala. My question for you, great lecture by the way. My question for you is it compulsory to perform Hajj every year or once in a lifetime?
You see, I just now gave a reference, Manistata ilayhi sabila. If you went there and you found out that you still are not, did
Right.
the right way.
Like
So,
you said about
like myself, I said 2 times I went and I did not know, inshallah I intend to do the 3rd time. It is money as well, and as she was saying, money is not a big problem. For the poor, there are millions. I was a merchant navy man. You see, Saudi governments, or maybe in Pakistan also, many people give money for people to go and perform Hajj. So for the people, she's saying that there are so many poor people. I understand there are poor people. The poor people who are the people. We don't have to worry about the first of all other people. There, I've taken. The ship was allowed to take 1,000 people. We took 5,000 people. Believe me, the ship. So we take 5,000 more. So people who will go there, that's the separate issue. But if I go there and I found out 2 times I did not do it in the true sense, so I intend to do so. So if you intend to do so, number of times you must keep on improving. And if you're not improving at all, so you can do 100 times or 1,000 times, it makes no difference. But Allah does not say you must do once. In the whole Quran, it doesn't say.
At least once.
No, it doesn't say once. It says whoever has the means to go. So the way. So it tells us about psychological means and the material means. It's not all and physical health also. It doesn't say only the wealth. It says you are capable of doing all these things. You are ready to sacrifice your life. So in that aspect, if you want to go, you can do twice or thrice or number of times, right?
Just one small question, because it was kind of confusing for me. In Al-Isra 17, when you quoted, and it said that after you have to go to from Masjid al-Haram, you have to go to
Masjid al-Aqsa.
When does one need to go there?
After completion of Hajj.
After,
yeah.
Because usually people usually also go before. Is it okay?
You see why I'm saying you can go, but if you're visiting that area, Makkah and Madinah, because it's Barakat, Makkah is Barakat, that is Barakat, and these 3 places are Barakat. So you can go before also because it's not a part of Hajj. But the right practice is to go after the Hajj. Okay, because you have to go from Masjid al-Haram to Masjid al-Aqsa. You are coming from Masjid al-Aqsa to Makkah. The ayah says you have to go from Masjid al-Haram to Medina. You follow what I'm saying?
Sure, yeah.
So you have to go from the sacred, from Mecca to Medina. People go land in Medina and they come from there. You follow what I'm saying?
Yeah, because I'm inshallah hoping to go this year, and however it's planned by the people I'm going.
You
with.
see why
they're
these
taking
people
me to Medina first.
Yeah, because they have got this impression and love and affection for the Prophet, because they thought the Prophet went from Medina came to Mecca for Hajj. Okay. That's the concept behind it. So even if you're going there that way, it's not wrong. But what I'm saying, this is the concept. They go to first Medina, and from Medina they come to Mecca. As Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, according to history, he came from Medina to Mecca. So that is why they are saying this. But what I am referring to in ayat is from the sacred mosque, you go to Medina or to Aqsa Medina. That is Aqsa Medina or that place. That is why I'm saying you have to go from here to there. So you must land in Mecca, do all the Hajj, and from Masjid al-Haram to go. So it's no problem. If it's a cultural thing, you can come from Medina also. Thank you. Yes, please. Anybody else? Assalamu alaikum.
This brings our session to an end. I would like to thank you all for your attendance. We will look forward for seeing you again. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.